Ha! This one is not a good one, oh. Guys, you can zoom in like very, very well. Do you know who this actress is? Have you seen her on your screen? Hmm. So, according to Kutu Juice, this blogger said that this popular Nollywood actress went to a hotel in Asaba. She lodged in there, spent 1 or 2 days there. On the day she was about leaving, according to Kutu Juice, she said this lady carry hotel towel, oh, put am for inside im bag. The hotel is located at the back of Bear Road in Asaba. Now, can hotel towel mistakenly enter person bag? Just asking for my neighbor. Stanley on top, who is also a Nollywood actor, posted this one on his Instagram story and said, I hear say one big actress carry hotel towel run for Asaba. Madam abeg go return am. They don report the matter give me to post. Onyoshi towel. Una superstar actress don return the towel oo. She say na mistake. She didn't know when the towel entered her bag. Asila no sumba. Ole na ole. Anyways, the hotel owner no want problem sha. Me wey no get joy. We have forgiven you. Go and sin no more, aunty. First of all, this Stanley on top is now beginning to act as an informant. Mm, if he tells me that he heard, that means he's lying. As a matter of fact, there are possibilities that he was the one that told Kutu Juice before she posted the news on her page. Then this Stanley on top now posted his own, claiming that he heard. Ah, awa, it is well. But then again, is it possible? I'm just confused here. Oh. Is it possible that someone walked in a hotel after spending 1 or 2 days there? On the day she was about leaving, the hotel towel made its way into her bag. Could it be that after taking her bath, she put the towel on the bed? Maybe her clothes were there too. And when she was packing, she packed everything. Not that she folded the clothes one after the other, like she gathered everything all together at once and put inside her bag. Or could it be that it was done on purpose? Like she said, na mistake. But some people still don't believe say a mistake. They say na intentional act because there's no way you will not know that that towel is not hers. If she came with her own towel, what's the business? What's her business with the hotel towel? And if she did not come with her own towel, of course, after making use of the hotel towel, she's supposed to know where to put it. Guys, please, what do you think? Pour down your emotions in the comment section. Like, what do you feel? Do you feel it's an intentional act? It is well. So yesterday there was this picture of May Edochie and Ayo Macon, AY comedian, doing the kissy kissy and everything. Like I said before, at first I fell for that, I'm not gonna lie. But after close observation, I understood that now AI did that one. Oh. So celebrities, especially Dotun, Dotun beat a drum of support for AY and May Edochie, and he wrote an open letter to AY. So he said, you are an amazing person, AY. Amazing, creative, with so many years of experience and grace. Sometimes easy to judge and maybe not perfect in a few ways, but are we all? No. I need you to know one thing. Yes, it's AI and it should not be encouraged for these purpose. But let me be honest, you are not doing anything wrong. There's no need to set the record straight to avoid it being used for the wrong reasons. But there's so much more to you as a human being. Besides these scandals, you are AY, the legend. Always remind them, and you never stop doing that. This is a lot, sometimes, especially on how it can be perceived. But Oga AY, know this now. You have not done anything wrong. You are both separated, and both of your partners have alleged moved on publicly. You and me have the right to do the same. This is 2025 and everyone deserves to be happy. In as much as this is not what it seems, you have both done nothing wrong. You're an amazing creative, and that's what it will be till thy kingdom come. Ire o. Hell, hell. Now, who is shipping this ship? Oh, Dotuno, guys. Share, like I always say, please, your opinions they are needed. Eh? Do you think? Do you feel that these two people they are perfect match? AY and May Edochie. If you are to ship, would you ship these two people? Eh? Ha. Nah, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know for May Edochie. Oh. I don't know what she wants. Whether, but I don't see that one coming. Oh. May left Yul because of cheating. Not only because of cheating, the relationship produced a son. And AY on the other hand, allegedly, Kutu Juice and GISTLOVER, they said that the reason why his wife left him is because of the same cheating that May Edochie left Yul for. So if May decides to date or get married to AY, guys, na big FK be that one. Oh. Ha. Na big FK be that one. I no go lie at all. Because you cannot just jump from one frying pan, come enter into another one way big pass the frying pan. Go, 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 go. They're just colleagues, if you ask me. Oh. They're just colleagues. Anyways, whatever rocks their boats. That being said, guys, that brings me to the end of this video. Please do give this video a thumbs up, massive likes, comment, and share so that this video will get the visibility that it needs. In case you're watching for the first time, this is Loudly Gist Lover YouTube. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in on this channel. We react, analyze, we give trending gist, celebrity news, true crime, and true crime stories. And to my Tony subscribers, thank you for always watching, liking, commenting, and sharing. Bye bye for now, as I'm signing for my next one. Peace out. I love you all. Bye.